Samsung's bean-shaped Galaxy Buds live leak in 3 colors. Bean.
What?
They're little beans. And I know you're looking at that the way I was looking at that, thinking, how does that go in your ear? Or does it go in your ear? Where does it go, Will? Yeah, apparently there's no ear tip. The whole bean fits in there somehow.
Oh, there's no ear tip.
No.
I thought it was behind the bean.
There's no ear tip, man. That looks like the speaker unit right there you're looking at, because the charging contacts would be on the other side.
Right.
It's a little bean, and somehow it's going to fit in there. It piqued my attention. I mean, I'm very curious.
Well, this is going to get stuck for sure.
It was originally a leak from EvLeaks, and of course it got picked up on a number of websites. This is a new idea. It's a new lineup too. Apparently it's not to compete with Galaxy Buds. Well, there still will be Galaxy Buds. This will be an alternative play for a more stylish, I guess, earbud in that pinkish color right there, which is almost, it's like sort of like a skin tone. Maybe that thing just blends in. You don't even notice it, as opposed to the white or black models that are there, which are more typical color selections. But it's just a really unusual implementation of an earbud. And I've looked at a lot of earbuds, Will, over the years.
Yes.
I mean, I looked at thousands of earbuds. How is this thing going to fit in your ear? Also, the bean aspect. Isn't there something cute about a bean?
Yeah. I mean, is it going to be called the bean?
No. They
bean.
apparently they're going to call it Galaxy Buds Live.
Oh, okay. Well,
Yeah.
they should just
They
play
should have
it
called it Magic Beans.
They should just play it up.
I don't know. I don't know. People aren't going to. It would have been fun, but I don't know if it would have sold more earbuds. Alongside its Galaxy Note 20, a new watch, and a new tablet, Samsung is also expected to show off the Galaxy Buds Live next month, the company's latest truly wireless earbuds. So there's been some renders floating around, but this is the best look we've had yet. They look very glossy, and they have no ear tip. So if you want to go check out a picture, you should definitely check it out for yourself. The cool color I'm talking about is called Mystic Bronze, by the way.